In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change YouTube TV location. First, use this if you have moved to a new place and want YouTube TV to reflect your new residence. YouTube says you can only change your home area if you're actually in the new area, if you haven't changed it twice in the last 12 months. So first, go to tv.youtube.com and sign in. Select your profile photo, click location, then next to home area, select update. Then follow the prompts to confirm your new address and location. Then update your current playback area. Use this when you're traveling and you just need YouTube TV to recognize where you are right now. This is the correct option though, especially for temporary location changes, and is still within YouTube TV's official policies. So first, open up YouTube TV app on your TV, computer, or mobile device. Select your profile photo, go to location. Next to current playback area, select update. If prompted, go to tv.youtube.com/verify and allow location access so YouTube TV can confirm your current area. Subscribe.